viewers, welcome to this session. In this lecture, I am going to talk about a critical analysis of the character of Volpone. Volpone is one of the important characters of the play Volpone by Ben Jonson. Volpone is the protagonist of the play. He has different traits and features. Ben Jonson has portrayed Volpone as a man who has many weaknesses. He has greed for money. He has lust for women. He has many other sorts of weaknesses. Ben Jonson has satirized Volpone in the play. The play is a blustering satire, biting satire on a person like Volpone. I shall discuss some of the important traits of Volpone in this lecture. Volpone as a greedy man. Volpone is a very greedy man. He loves his gold, his money, his wealth. He thinks that his gold is his God. So he worships his money, his gold as God. Volpone wants to amass wealth by all means. He is not guided by morality in amassing wealth and money. Volpone dupes three persons in order to make money, in order to amass wealth. These three persons are Walter, Corvacio, and Corvino. As Volpone has no children, no issue, no heir, he declares that he suffers from illness and he is in his deathbed. So he will pass on his estate. He will pass on his possessions to anyone who lavishes him with a rich gift. So Walter, Corvacio, and Corvino lavish Volpone with rich gifts. So this shows that Volpone is a greedy man. He has great greed for money. Volpone as a lustful man. Volpone is portrayed not only as a greedy man of wealth and money, he is also portrayed as a very lustful man. Volpone is lustful, lecherous, and greedy for worldly pleasure. When Volpone looks at Celia, the beautiful wife of Corvino, he wants to have Celia. He wants to enjoy the pleasure with Celia. He tells Mosca to bring Celia to his bed at any cost. This shows that Volpone is a very lustful man. When Celia is brought to Volpone, Volpone delivers rhetoric and passionate speeches. When Celia is not moved by his passionate speech, by his rhetoric, Volpone does not resist himself in making attempt to rape Celia. This shows that Volpone is not only greedy but also very lustful. Number 3, Volpone as a victim of satire, and the satire turns upon him later. When we study Volpone closely, we find that Ben Jonson satirizes Volpone in satirizes all the characters of the play in general and Volpone in particular. Volpone is a subject of ridicule. A person like Volpone is a laughing stock in our society. He is very lustful. He is very greedy. He has greed for wealth, pleasures, sensuous pleasure, and everything. Volpone finds that the satire turns upon him when he passes on his estate to Moscow, and he gloats at the three legacy seekers, Volpone, Walter, Corbaccio, and Carvino. Then Mosca comes in the possession of the estate of the wealth of Volpone. But when Volpone wants his wealth in return from Mosca, Mosca goes back. He is not ready to return his wealth. So the satire turns upon Mosca himself. In Act 4 of the play, Volpone makes an observation, and the observation applies to all other characters and Volpone himself. He says in Act 4, "What a rare punishment is avarice to itself." He makes this observation on Walter, Corbacio, and Corvino. But later, Volpone himself becomes a victim to satire. Uh, the turn, the table of satire turns upon him when Mosca is not ready to give him back his estate, his wealth. So, Volpone is a very intricate character in the play. He has many traits and many features. Another important thing that we find is that though Volpone does not have children, but he has something of a family. His parasite Mosca, his dwarf Nano, his eunuch Castron, and his hermaphrodite Androgyne. Mosca is his only true confidant among them. He begins to lust feverishly after Celia upon first setting eyes on her. To conclude, Volpone is the protagonist of the play. He is a different character. We have Volpones in our society. There are many people who are as greedy as Volpone. So, in the end of the play, poetic justice is meted out to him. After the judgment, or in the judgment, Mosca is put in the Volpone is put in the prison, and along with Volpone, all other characters such as Walter, Corbacio, Corvino suffer severe punishments. Thanks.